Alright guys, so we are here to show you how the heck to do the whole first and second thing. Okay? So first of all, I did show you guys on how the heck to make the channel points. So first of all, we are going to disable second and we are going to enable first. We are going to come in here. I already have a action made up as well as 2 rewards for that. So first things first is we need to see which one of these two is being done, right? You can also just come in here and do switch, and I believe it's just reward name. Okay. So there are 2 different ways of doing this. I will do it as a reward thing, or sorry, as a switch for ease of access for myself. Just because, yeah, it'll make it way easier because I can just go case and we can just go first and second. Okay, so now we have our 2 cases in our default. I just need to make sure that that is reward name. Copy, copy. Okay, come down here, do a quick check just to make sure that it's like so far this stuff is working as intended. Okay, so we will. Okay. Should be able to come down here, claim first, and then it prints it out, right? So it's like from this, we do know that it is getting the information that we did claim first. See, but the thing is right now is we can come in here and claim first as much as we want. That is not helpful, right? So what we want to do now is come in here, go down to Twitch, user, add user to groups. We want to do that. So we'll make a group called first, which I believe you have to go and make a group, which is under settings and then group and then first. Right? Like it's not that hard to pull off. Yeah, it's like you can also clear that at the beginning and that after it's set up. Okay, so we want to add a user to the group. We want to go into chat, send message. I want to go user has claimed first. Okay, so the user's been added. It's now saying that, hey, this has now been claimed, right? Okay, cool. Also, now that the main part of that section is done, we want to go to rewards. We want to enable the state. So we want to now disable first. And we want to enable second. Okay, so now first and second completely done. Fantastic. All right. So now we can come down to second. We can go to user groups, user in group. So we want to go and check to see if user is in the group, right? Which we can come in here, claim first. Let's claim first. Fantastic. Settings, groups. Now if I come down to Why did that not put me into the group? Oh, whoopsie. My bad. So I gotta re-enable those. Oh, man. See, this is the reason why you gotta test things, right? Because you want to make sure that everything is working completely correctly. Okay. Now we should be able to come up here. Okay. Now, if I go down to settings, groups, I'm now listed in there. I should not be able to get it again. Okay. Right? And because we do not want me to be able to get it again, we are going to come down here, right? We are going to go in group is equal to true. So if it's equal to true, then we would like to go reward denied. Okay. We are also going to where get reward info? No. Can I not set it as fulfilled this way? Rewards. Configure the rewards. Able max. Oh, update redemption status. So we want to cancel. You can to be refund the channel points back to the user. Okay. So we're going to just deny it. Okay. Which is fantastic. You can also do that with like saying that you want to fulfill it as well on first, if you so wish to. However, right, what we want is to come up here, rewards, set enable, second, disable, okay? We also would like to send a message, go user has claimed second, okay? So realistically, with the fact that I've claimed first already, right, it should, well, one, it's already gone. So we can't claim first again. There is second though, but if I come up here and do this, it's denying us the reward, okay? Which is good. That is what we want, right? Because we don't want to have to set a maximum amount per user or how many can be obtained per stream because we want these just out of the list as soon as they're like confirmed. But yeah, so that is ways you can do it that way. Your other option is do it purely through programming. Okay, my way looks a little confiscated. just because of everything for it. Like you need to get the like reward ID and this and that. I've also been dealing with harassment lately, so it's like I have an entire script for dealing with that crap. But it's like, yeah, it's like I also want to make sure that the group is automatically made if needed. Um, but yeah, so it's like I just get all this extra stuff because like I update my title, for instance. I have a sound alert that plays when it is grabbed and other things. But yeah, it's just like me adding to the group first. I mark it as redeemed. I disable first, enable second. All this is for my audio and visual based stuff that I have show up. I can actually show you guys that in a quick second if you guys would like. And then I just update the channel of Twitch to, yeah, include first and second as well. Like that's adding first, and then I'm just going and making sure that, hey, it's not the same person. Fulfill, if not automatically give it back, and once again, just automatically, yeah. So fantastic. But yeah, so I will see you guys all in the next video, I guess. Till then, bye bye for now.